Go.
This is 1. So this is 1/16.
Oh my god.
So 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6, and so on.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is 1. So we'll lay that down here. 15/16 would be a step back, which is right here. Okay. 7/8 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here.
And 13/16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13/16. And 11/16.
It's just your space there. Two. You want to get to it?
11/16. Another. No. So we'll go back to 1. And then.
Hi, Chase.
11/16. Right? Here.
That's good.
And here's the same. So I'm just going to lay that down there. Oh! Not so sure about this one. Okay, so here's 1. 16th, 8th, and a 4th, which is right here.
That's not a fourth, dude.
What? What?
Walk on 1, that's a fourth.
This?
That's a fourth, yeah.
Oh, I did not know that.
Because it's halfway between a half and 1.
Oh, so it'll be up here. And this is 1 3/4.
Look at those dudes. This is 1 3/4 right here.
What?
That would be 1 4/4.
Cal, slow down. Walk slower.
You can go faster than that.
Isn't every 4/4? Right? 1, 2, 3,
Here's
4.
1/16.
Here's a 4.
Here it is. And then 1 5/8. Finally. The last card. 1, 2, 3. Ninja time is over. Turn it off.